Hello everyone. This video is about our phase 3 sounds, and this is the next set of sounds, and these sounds get a little bit more complicated, I suppose, or difficult, because there are lots of digraphs, that's 2 letters that make one sound, and there are also trigraphs, they're 3 letters that make one sound in a word. Let's have a little look at these sounds. So we've got j as in jam, v like in vet, w as in web, and x as in mix. Y like in the word yes, and we've got z and z like in the word zip and in the word buzz. We've got qu like in the word quack. Now we've got ch like chicken. We've got sh like in the word shop. And we've got this digraph, the th, which makes th, and the voiced sound th. So th like in thin, and th like in this. We've got ng like in sing. We've got a like in the word rain, and e like in the word week. We've got I like in the word sight. It's a trigraph, so 3 letters together. We've got o like in the word boatman. Now this digraph can sometimes be oo like in moon, and like in book. You've got r like in farmyard, and or like in fork, like in turn, and you've got ow like in town. We've got oi like in soil, ear like in near. More trigraphs now. Air for hair, and this one is a funny one, your. That is your, the U-R-E, like in pure. And the last one is and you might remember we've had already, but this is like in the word boxer, and we've taught the children that normally this is in the middle of a word and this is at the end of a word, normally. However, we've also taught the children that some of the words there'll be exceptions. I hope that helped. Have fun with your sounds.